The Total Money Makeover is a personal finance book written by Dave Ramsey, a renowned financial expert and radio show host. The book provides a step-by-step plan to help individuals and families take control of their finances, get out of debt, and build wealth. Here is a summary of the key concepts and strategies discussed in the book. 1. The Total Money Makeover. Ramsey emphasizes the importance of making a total commitment to changing one's financial situation. He encourages readers to adopt a mindset shift and take responsibility for their financial well-being. 2. The 7 Baby Steps. Ramsey outlines a series of 7 steps that serve as a roadmap to financial freedom. Step 1. Save a beginner emergency fund of $1,000 to cover unexpected expenses. Step 2. Pay off all debts, except for the mortgage, using the debt snowball method. List debts from smallest to largest and pay them off one by one. Step 3. Build a fully funded emergency fund of 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Step 4. Invest 15% of household income into retirement accounts, such as 401ks and IRAs. Step 5. Save for your children's college education using educational savings accounts or other investment options. Step 6. Pay off your mortgage early by making extra principal payments. Step 7. Build wealth and give generously. Invest in mutual funds, real estate, and other wealth building strategies. 3. The debt snowball. Ramsey advocates for the debt snowball method, where you pay off debts from smallest to largest, regardless of interest rates. He believes that the psychological boost from eliminating small debts quickly provides motivation to tackle larger debts. 4. Budgeting. Ramsey stresses the importance of budgeting and creating a detailed monthly budget that accounts for all income and expenses. He recommends a zero-based budgeting approach, where every dollar is allocated to a specific purpose. 5. Cash envelope system. Ramsey suggests using cash envelopes for certain categories in your budget, such as groceries, entertainment, and clothing. By using cash, you become more conscious of your spending and less likely to overspend. 6. Avoid debt. Ramsey strongly advises against taking on new debt, especially high-interest consumer debt. He encourages readers to live within their means and save up for purchases instead of relying on credit. 7. Building wealth. Once you have eliminated debt and built an emergency fund, Ramsey advises investing 15% of your income into retirement accounts. He recommends mutual funds with a long-term perspective for building wealth over time. 8. Real estate and other investments. Ramsey suggests considering real estate investment, such as rental properties, as a means to generate passive income and build wealth. He also emphasizes the importance of diversifying investments and seeking professional advice when necessary.